Hello student of class 11. Today I am going to discuss some problems about complex number. Let z is a complex number and z equal to a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers. We have already learned z bar equal to conjugate of z. Conjugate of z is denoted by z bar, and this is equal to a minus ib. In a plus ib, a is the real component of complex number and b is the complex component of complex number. And here in z, complex component of complex number is with positive sign, and complex component of complex number in conjugate of z, that means z bar is with a minus sign. Okay, this is the difference between complex number and the conjugate complex number. Only the complex component is changed. Only the complex component will be changed with sign. If it is plus, then it is minus. If it is minus, then it is plus. But the real component remains same in z and z bar. Z modulus z equal to root over a square plus b square. This is always the positive value. I know modulus of any real number are equal to absolute value of that number. That means if I say mod minus 2 equal to mod minus 7 equal to what? This is equal to 7. This is the absolute value of minus 7. Here similarly, complex number, modulus of complex number is always root over a square plus b square, and it is positive, always positive. And multiplicative inverse of z, multiplicative inverse of z, that z equal to a plus ib, this is equal to z inverse equal to z bar by mod z whole square. This is the formula. Okay. Now I am going to some sums. If I have minus 3 plus 3i and 1 plus I, 1 minus I, express it as a plus ib form. This is a simple multiplication. We will do minus 3 plus 3i, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3i into 1 equal to plus 3i, minus plus 3i, and after that plus minus minus 3i square. This is equal to minus 3 plus 6i minus 3. We know I equal to root over minus 1 and I square equal to minus 1. So I can write it plus 3. I square equal to minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 3. Plus 3 plus minus 3 cancel out. This is equal to 6i. I can be written it in this way, 0 into 6i, that is a plus ib. Here a equal to 0 and b equal to 6. Okay. If I have z equal to root 3 minus I by 1 minus root 3i, express it as a plus ib. Here I will multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. This is the conjugate of denominator, 1 plus root 3i. Denominator portion is 1 minus root 3i. and its conjugate is 1 plus root 3i. I will multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator, that is 1 plus root 3i, 1 plus root 3i. To rationalize the denominator, I will multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. I will do the simple multiplication in numerator. I have root 3 minus I plus root 3 into root 3i, that is 3i, minus I into root 3i, that is root 3i square. Here 1 square a minus ib, a plus ib, that is 1 square minus root 3i whole square. This is equal to root 3 plus 2i, this is equal to 2i, I square equal to minus 1 plus root 3, minus root 3 into minus 1, that is plus root 3, this is 1 plus 3, I square equal to minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1, this is equal to 4, 2 root 3 plus 2i by 4, this is equal to 2 root 3 plus I by 4, that is equal to 2 root 3 by 2 plus half I equal to a plus ib. I can be expressed as a plus ib. Here a equal to root 3 by 2 and b equal to half. Those are real. After that, if it is told that this is equal to z, I can be expressed z as a plus ib form. After that, it is told that mod z. What is mod z? Modulus z equal to root over a square plus b square, root 3 by 2 whole square plus half whole square, that is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Okay. If it is told that z inverse, then I will write mod z by mod z whole square. A plus ib, z equal to a plus ib equal to root 3 by 2 plus half I. So z inverse equal to z bar equal to, this is equal to root 3 by 2 minus 1 by half by modulus z bar. Okay. From here I have to calculate. I will calculate the portion z inverse. I am ending here.